Okay, so firmware is upgraded. Turns your camera back on. The back button, hold it to start the Wi-Fi connection again, right? So I already have done that. So the Wi-Fi is on. Go to your phone or iPad and reconnect to have this as your network, right? So find the network, the Wi-Fi network that is associated with the Drift. Whatever that is going to be Ghost something. So each one is different. So it's Ghost whatever number they have after that. Find that. Once you find that, connect to it. Once you connect to it, open up your Drift Live app and connect to the camera. So go ahead and press connect to camera and it's going to connect it. Sometimes it asks what camera do you have. So if you don't really look for XL, if you have the XL, press XL. It'll show all the different type of models that Drift makes. But in this case, it's the Drfit XL. Click to it, and then once you have that, you have the software here. So now you can start taking video, right? So you can start taking video by just going ahead and pressing the video button from here. You can take photos, you can take time lapse, you can do bursts, anything that you can do on the camera. You can change the settings in here too. So there's ways to change the settings in your camera versus looking at this small little screen in the back and pressing the back button to go, the middle button to go through all the different options it has, and then using the back button to make the selections, and then going to the middle button and to get out of it and keep going back and forth. You can just go to settings right here, and you have all the different settings that are in here that you can do here, which is a lot easier than trying to do it here. But most of the time I may not have this connected to my camera, so depends on what it is. And you set it up once, pretty much. Once you're done with once, you don't really set it up again. Put the setting that you like, and this is the settings I do on my camera. They seem to work for me. So that's what I've done on my camera, and pretty much it tells you the firmware too. So I think we just updated this, so this is V2020. So pretty much that's it. You press the button over here, that takes you to look at all the pictures, videos that you've taken on here. So that'll take you and take a look at that. It tells you the capacity of your camera thing here. So I've got a 250 gigabyte card in here, and you'll never fill it up. It's great. So that's about it. That's how you use this software. So this app, and if you got any questions, leave comments in below. All right. Thanks a lot.